So those that are not online will get the video. So what you just have to know practically is that number one is that gold, what I've discovered in gold so far is that there is always a massive move in the morning and also in the afternoon. So how do you get to trade gold? With the strategy of demand and supply, it's very simple. So as a day trader, you want to work on 1 hour time frame, 15 minutes time frame, and 5 minutes and 1 minute. So in the morning, this is what we are going to do. There's always a push up, or let me say there is always a momentum candle that breaks structure in gold every morning. All right, so now let's say we have, okay, let me start from here. Let's say we have a structure like this. All right, and this was broken. All right, if there is a momentum candle that broke this particular structure, all right, and notice that this momentum candle will happen in the morning. So once there is a break of structure with a momentum candle, what you do is that you want to wait around this particular place. This is your supply zone. All right, that's what will happen. So you are going to be looking at you will mark your demand zone or supply zone on 4 hour time frame. Sorry, on 1 hour time frame, right? On 1 hour time frame. So once you have gotten your area of supply like this, then you want to wait for price to come back. All right, the price might want to come back, but before the price will come up, price might want to create a liquidity below the supply. All right, that the price might want to liquidate and come back to this zone before coming down. All right, so all this happens within a day. You understand what I'm trying to say now? So there's liquidity here that was taken out. So in every supply zone, there should be a liquidity that will confirm to us that truly there is the supply zone will be valid. So this is the liquidity zone that is taken out. Then we see price coming all the way down, right? So that's what you have to note about gold. So, and this thing happens in the morning, every day, really. Every day, really, all right? So I'll show you practically on the charts. Same thing with demand zone. So when we have something like this in the morning, and you see that there's a break of structure. All right, so once there's a break of structure, then you want to mark your demand zone will be here. All right, so once your demand zone is here, then actually want to be sure if a liquidity zone will be created somewhere around here and the liquidity will be taken out, then respect this zone, then it starts coming up. Then you can take your profit somewhere here. All right, for this particular setup. So for here, you can take your profit around here, just somewhere around here, right? So depending on how long the peep is, like from here to here, the peeps at which, or let me say the distance that the candle covers to break the structure, really. So this is what I just want to understand about demand and supply on the 1 hour time frame. Now let's go to similar thing that happened this particular week. Let's delete this one. All right, so now looking at this particular market, see what happened here. This happened, it happened on, I think this should be on Thursday or so. So now here, looking at here, there was a break of structure from this particular market. This candle, see, it breaks this particular high. All right, it shows that there's a break of structure. So once there's a break of structure, you want to wait for price to retest back and start going up again. All right. So once there's a break of structure, what do you want to do? You want to mark your zone here. All right, so let me do that. You want to mark your zone here. So this is where your zone will be marked. So all this happened within a day. So don't forget that you mark your zone on, you mark your zone on the 1 hour time frame. So after the zone is marked, then you want to wait for price to come back. So when price gets here, that's when we now switch to 15 minutes time frame. So you switch to 15 minutes time frame to know what is happening here. So you can see that when price gets here, price failed to break this particular level. So it respects this particular level. So which shows that price is about to go up. So you can see the distance at which the market covers. So you'll have taken your profit from here at the first instance. So I'll have taken my profits here. I'll have targeted this particular liquidity here. Then, of course, then I'll have caught the move. So that's what this happened within a day, right? So what I'm saying is that this thing works on gold. But I noticed that this does not work on, I think it doesn't work in 2 days last week. I think it doesn't occur on, I think on Tuesday and Friday. Yes. But it works on the remaining day of the week. Mr. Ramon Adegbola, you are welcome. I can see that you are just joining us. You are welcome. I believe that you can hear what I'm trying to explain.